Want to safely withdraw your Bitcoin to Trust Wallet? Here's how to set it up step by step. First, open your crypto exchange app where your Bitcoin is stored, like Binance or Coinbase. Then go to withdraw or send, depending on your exchange app. Now select coin and select Bitcoin. Now open your Trust Wallet, tap on Bitcoin, then tap on receive. Now copy your unique Bitcoin address. Copy it and paste it into the exchange app. Now select your amount and double check the first and last few characters so you don't send it to the wrong wallet. Also, choose the correct Bitcoin network, not BEP20, not ERC20, but the actual BTC network. Before confirming, review the network fees and ensure you're okay with them. Then confirm your 2FA code or security method. After a few blockchain confirmations, your Bitcoin will appear safely in your Trust wallet. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.